So in this video, you'll learn how to remove the MX Master 3S Logitech mouse from the LogiOptions Plus app on your Windows PC. So doing this is fairly simple. If you've connected via the Lightning receiver, then all you need to do is simply select your mouse, go to Settings, and then click on Remove Device. However, if you've chosen to connect via Bluetooth, then this is fairly simple. All you need to do is start by opening your Bluetooth settings. So go to the Settings app, select Bluetooth and Devices, and then go to Devices. And then from here, you should see under the section Input, your MX Master 3S mouse. So to remove it, click on the three dots next to that specific mouse, and then select Remove Device. Once you've done that, you'll notice that the mouse is no longer responsive on the screen, which means that you've successfully removed it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.